Today we are cooking the world's best chicken noodle soup, and straight from your local farmer's market, these are your ingredients. I'm not using anything fancy besides the tofu surasaki noodles. If you cannot find tofu noodles, just click on the link below to have it shipped to your home. This soup will taste great with whatever noodles you decide to use. One of the secrets to making this the world's best chicken noodle soup is to make your own chicken broth. And for today's video, that is what I'll be showing you. I'll be using 2 chicken breasts, the chicken ribs, and the chicken backbones to make my own broth. But you can always use chicken thighs and legs to make your broth. If you have any questions or would like to show some love, please comment below and I'll make sure to reply back. After you taste the world's best chicken noodle soup, you will throw away your canned soups and pre-made chicken stock because that's how they will taste, like trash. Every week, I'll be posting a video to help inspire you to cook healthy so that you can make your world a better place and you will not want to miss out. So please turn on that notification button by subscribing to my channel, share with your friends, and hit that like button. Enjoy! Once you're done cutting up your chicken, add your bones and chicken breast into a pan, fill it up with water, and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the temperature to medium heat and remove that white foam from the top. That white foam comes from the chicken fat. That's why when you're cutting up your chicken, make sure to remove as much skin as you can. If this is your first time doing this, well, congratulations, because you are now making chicken broth. Put the lid back on and let your broth cook for 45 minutes. If you don't feel like chopping up garlic, just go ahead and do what I do. Smash them up. Voila! When it comes to your thyme, I recommend only using 5 large thyme sprigs. For your parsley and cilantro, only use half a bunch each. After you finish chopping it up, you should have about half a cup. It's time to take out the chicken and add your vegetables. Oh, the struggle is real. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a few stirs, and then add your garlic. Turn the temperature up to high, put your lid back on, and bring your soup to a boil. Now that it's boiling, lower your temperature to medium heat. Here it is, the moment you all been waiting for. The secret to making the world's best chicken noodle soup. As you can see, I have yet added any salt. And that is because you need to add your salt in the last 10 minutes before you serve your bowls. I'm going to cook my soup on medium heat for 30 minutes. And when the timer says 10 minutes left, that is when I add my salt. While your soup is cooking, you can start chopping up your chicken. Alright, so we only have 10 minutes left until our soup is done. Now it's time to add the secret ingredient, your salt. All you need is 1 tablespoon of salt, and this is what makes it real delicious. Add your lid back on, and soon we will be eating the best chicken noodle soup in this world. Your soup is ready, and I recommend you remove the thyme before you serve your bowl. Here it is, the world's best chicken noodle soup, brought to you by 9 to 5 Diet. Let's give it a try. Wow, I needed that. That hit the spot. That was real good. Real delicious, very chickeny. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel. There's more to come. Thank you for watching and enjoy.